Okay, let's jump right into this beef and broccoli. I got my sirloin steak here. I cut it into nice and thin pieces, seasoned it with salt, pepper, and minced garlic. And now I'm just gonna throw it in my hot skillet. This is just some vegetable oil, and I'm gonna throw it in here and let it cook on both sides. It's nice and thin, so it's not gonna cook that long. And yeah, I'm not gonna overcrowd my skillet because I don't want it to start to steam. Okay, now my meat is done. Let's make this sauce real quick. So I got some Hoisin Sauce. Now this is probably not how you make beef and broccoli, but oh well, this is how I'm making mine. So I'm using Hoisin Sauce. Then to that I'm gonna add some soy sauce, brown sugar, cornstarch, water, and ginger. And the cornstarch is just gonna make it a little thicker. This is 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Ginger. This is like 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger. Boom. That's it for the sauce. Now, I got rid of that excess oil that I had in my skillet. Now I'm just gonna add everything back to this. I'm gonna add my beef, some onions, and my broccoli. Now I'm gonna pour in my sauce. Now I'm just gonna let this cook a little bit until it thickens back up over medium-high heat, and I'm gonna season it with some salt, black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder, and we are ready to eat. I got my rice here. Now it's time to plate it up. And how I'm gonna do this, make it look real fancy, right? I'm gonna just put it around the rice. Ooh, look at that, look real professional, I know. Now I'm just gonna garnish it with some sesame seeds and some green onion. And here is the finished beef and broccoli. Don't it look so good? Yes. Make sure you check the description box for everything I use down below. And thanks for watching.